Lingering trash odors in your facility is a bad look for you and a serious turnoff for your guests or tenants. Stop the stink with State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner. State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner is a concentrated formula featuring citronella and our morning fresh fragrance. Designed for fast, effective cleaning, it can be applied with the built-in foaming attachment or used in alternative chute cleaning systems for versatile odor and soil removal. The foaming action covers surfaces completely, helping to break down residue, control odors, and maintain cleaner, more sanitary waste handling environments. State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner is ideal for cleaning dumpsters, trash chutes, and waste collection areas in apartment complexes, hotels, hospitals, and industrial facilities. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to look for State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner and check out our other cleaning solutions for every part of your facility.